Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing and reviewing the Logitech MX Master 4 for Mac. Let's see if it's worth it. Some people say that the MX Master 4 is probably the best third-party mouse for Mac. I'm using the Magic Mouse for over a decade, and in this video I would like to compare this mouse to my Magic Mouse. Which one is better? Let's find out. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. The MX Master 4 for Mac comes in this beautiful white box. I think the package is inspired by Apple products. It's quite beautiful. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. By the way, I bought this MX Master 4 on Amazon and I paid a little bit over 100 bucks. So I think it's a fair price for such a product. Inside the white box you have a second box, and inside you have just the mouse. Nothing is included. No cable, no accessories, just the mouse and some paperwork. So let's have a closer look on the mouse itself. My first impressions are rather positive. It's a good quality product, it's well built. I like the white color. You know, white is the color of Apple products, so I decided to pick this color option. The MX Master 4 is pretty big, I would say even large, but it's very lightweight. It's lighter than my Magic Mouse, although the Magic Mouse is smaller. Also, it's very comfortable. Ergonomics are incredible. It's definitely more comfortable than the Magic Mouse. It has a lot of buttons, different scrolling wheels. I have no idea what those are. Haven't watched a single review. I just bought it because a friend of mine advised me, and in this video I will discover all the features and I will share with you my honest opinion if I like this product or not. To fully unlock the potential of MX Master 4, you have to download the Logi Options Plus software. Of course, this app is completely free and it lets you customize options on your mouse. You can toggle different settings, different switches, you can assign actions to buttons, you can change the sensitivity of this touch panel. You know, it's a companion app that you have to download to fully enjoy your MX Master 4 for Mac. Of course, the biggest feature of this mouse is the Haptic Sense panel. It's a textured thumb rest area that delivers precise, customizable haptic vibrations like an Apple Watch or PS5 controller. You can feel the feedback for actions like snapping images to grids, switching desktops, adjusting sliders, or receiving notifications. Intensity and patterns are adjustable. Mainly, I bought this mouse because of this touch panel, but over time I found it pretty annoying because it activates by accident. The Haptic Panel activates the actions ring, from where you can program different actions, shortcuts, app commands, or third-party plugins. But I found it too annoying, just too complicated. You know, in theory it meant to be useful, but in reality I found it too complicated and just it's such an overkill for such a simple product, you know. I don't know, I'm just like, it's too much for me. Alright, so I have been using the MX Master 4 for a couple of days and now I'm ready to share my honest opinion about this product, and my final verdict is the Magic Mouse is better. At least for Mac users, at least in my case. And don't get me wrong, the MX Master 4 is probably the best third-party mouse for Mac. It's well built, has a lot of features, has different buttons, ergonomics are incredible. It's definitely a good product, but not for me. And let me show you why. For example, I'm using a lot of different software, like Final Cut, where I have to scroll through the timeline, and it's just easier with the Magic Mouse because it has this touch panel. You can scroll with your two fingers, you can switch between desktops. You know, it's just more intuitive, it's easier, it's faster. Of course, some people might say it's just because you have been using the Magic Mouse for over a decade, so it's easier for you, but trust me, it's easier. You don't have to press buttons, you just have to swipe with your fingers and you can switch between desktops. It's just more intuitive, it's easier. Of course, it's not as ergonomic as the MX Master 4, but honestly, it's not bad. Call me a weird person, but I still believe that the Magic Mouse is a better mouse for everyday usage, at least for Mac users, because it's simpler. You just have big touch panel, you can create custom gestures with software like Better Touch Tool, and it's cheaper also. You can find this Magic Mouse on sale on Amazon for like $60. Again, the MX Master 4 for Mac is a great product. If you are looking for ergonomics, if you like additional buttons, if you are looking for this touch panel that can action different things, why not get it? But if you're a default Mac user, get yourself the Magic Mouse, it's better. I would even argue that the Magic Mouse is more customizable in terms of gestures than the MX Master 4. For example, you can download the app Better Touch Tool. Inside this application, you can create custom gestures for your Magic Mouse to trigger different actions. For example, I can configure pinch-in gesture to open Finder or whatever system action I would like to assign it to. The customization options are almost unlimited, and this touch panel on the Magic Mouse really creates an endless possibilities for gestures. Swipe with 2 fingers, swipe with 3 fingers, double tap, triple tap, pinch in, pinch out. Like for example, look. I'm making pinch-in gesture and boom, it opens the Finder. How cool is that? You cannot do gestures like this with MX Master 4. Alright, now let's compare the MX Master 4 to my Magic Mouse in terms of clicking sound. Let's listen how both products perform in terms of noise. So, can Logitech's MX Master 4 haptics finally get me to retire my Magic Mouse? Well, not really. Of course, in terms of ergonomics and comfort of usage, the MX Master 4 beats the Magic Mouse. But I still prefer my good old Apple mouse, even though it has its charging port at the bottom. Guys, let me know in the comment section below what do you think about Logitech MX Master 4 for Mac. Do you like it or not? What would you pick, the MX Master 4 or the Magic Mouse? I'm curious. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Peace.